We have seen an increase on demand throughout the years, but this past year we just looked at what happened from March of 2020 to February of 2021, which is the time that we had to be on emergency food mode. And just our emergency food distributions were 9.5 million pounds. This is more than what we were normally distributing to families.
Our hope for these funds are to help people restore and rebuild what they lost during that freeze. It was so devastating.
At one point, we were only 2 weeks away from running out of food. With the help of Methodist Healthcare Ministries, we are now able to replenish all the food that we have had to provide.
Methodist Healthcare Ministries giving the Coastal Bend Community Foundation $100,000 in grant money. And we were able to contact 150 of our grantees. And of those, 25 have actually shown some physical need that was not reimbursed by insurance or FEMA, and or helping people who had the same problems, low-income people, at-risk people, who couldn't help themselves after the cold. One of the good things we were able to do is to take the $100,000 from Methodist Healthcare Ministries and get a local foundation to match it at $50,000, and so we had $150,000 to give out to these 25 organizations.
We're able to take generous donations like from Methodist Healthcare Ministries, and with the money that was donated and the volunteers, we were able to buy them the supplies that they needed and house them so that they could go out into the community and help these people. And as you know, during that time frame, every plumber was busy. So these people would not have received their basic water requirements that they needed without that generous grant. So we were very grateful and honored to be able to help coordinate this and help the people of the Coastal Bend.
I'm so appreciative of MHM for not only providing that grant to us, but also helping Mission 911 in keeping our place existing so we can give out clothing, we can help in the dentistry, we can educate people about the resources that are in Corpus Christi, we can shelter people, we can feed people. So all these things have making a difference in our community.
Thank you so much to all the people that support the communities, not just for meals, but for better health and for better future for the children as they grow up.
I can't thank Methodist Healthcare Ministries enough for what they do in South Texas. I'm stunned at how much they do with the Wesley nurses, the Wesley Community Center, the churches, the pantries.
And that's what I like about MHM. They have the pulse of not only of our community, but of the people, of what they need and how to be strengthened. And they strengthened us to strengthen others.